Hi, today let's practice reading the story The Fat Cat. The fat cat. The fat cat sat on a mat. A rat ran to the cat. The cat did not run. The cat is a sad cat. Your turn. Great job! Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya!